All right, hello everybody, it's Kayla. The purpose of this video is to show you all how to use the Bouchard 3-day physical activity log. This is my first Kaltura video, so bear with me as I learn how to use it. So first off, the aim of the physical activity record, it's used to self-record your daily physical activity over 3 days. This needs to be 2 days and 1 weekend. The record is going to be divided into 9 categories of physical activity. I'll show you that in a minute. But the participant, or the one who fills it out, will fill in boxes corresponding to the physical activities performed during specific time periods. This follows the original mode of the administration of this. It was published in 1983 for the first time, and then this is a couple of reliability and validity studies that followed. But yes, it was self-administered with instruction provided by an interviewer. So I suppose I'm your interviewer in this situation. And I didn't make these slides. I just literally took them from the MSSE journal. But this is what the log looks like. And again, you maintain this sheet 3 days. You see it says day 1, you'll do a day 2, and you'll do a day 3. It needs to be 2 weekdays and 1 weekend day, and those are chosen at the convenience of the participant or the one filling it out. You'll notice that the 3-day record is divided into these 15-minute intervals, and activities are going to be quantified into a 1 to 9 scale of energy cost. So this slide shows that scale, and you'll see that you're going to be writing a number, a category, in each one of these boxes. I'll show you an example in just a moment. But everything you'll do will fall into one of these 9 categories. And then this is the approximate energy expenditure for that category. So what this will look like, this is Jane Doe's. And Jane must have been sleeping during this time because each box on this needs to be filled in. And if an activity is being carried out over a long period of time, say sleeping, taking class, something like that, or it's a repeated activity, you can draw a continuous line until there's some sort of change in activity. So she was doing 2 and then 1 in 15-minute intervals, so she must have been seated and then she was lying down. Okay? There should only be one number per box. So if you're saying, oh, I was seated and I was doing something else, you're going to need to find the activity that was carried out the most during that given period. And then also you'll want to balance activities. An example of this is, say you were playing 1 hour of hockey, you'd probably actually put in 3 15-minute intervals of intense physical activity and 1 15 interval of sitting. So you're waiting maybe to tag in, or you're on the bench for a little bit, unless you really truly were playing for the entire hour. So this is the calculations, what you'll do when you're done. Now there are 96 total boxes. That was my note because when I first saw this, I didn't know why the number 96 was here. But if you go back to the blank one, each day has 96 boxes. Okay? And what you're going to do is you will total how many numbers 1 through 9 you had of each. Okay? From there, you're going to find that activity code and you're going to multiply. And you say, okay, I think this 0.26 is from number 1. Yep, so number 1, lying down, 0.26. And you are going to say 0.26, that's from category 1. I did that 34 times. You see 34 is right here. And that's 8.84 kilocalories per kilogram. The last step is you're going to make sure that that goes with your body weight. So you're going to want to find your body weight. You're going to want to take the total energy expenditure and multiply it by your body weight in kilograms to see what your total energy expenditure was for day one. So just to repeat that, you'll multiply the code from this box by how many periods you had of that in one day. And then you multiply that by your body weight in kilograms, and you get your total energy expenditure. And you'll notice that they don't actually use all the codes. You might, but it seems like this person had a lot of time sitting, laying, which is not super abnormal. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to post all this stuff as well, but that was your quick tutorial since it is a little bit dated and difficult to figure out at first. All right, good luck.